Well, the building was dated back about 30 years and the lighting became very dreary. So we were looking to firstly make it much brighter in the trade counter area and at the same time saving energy basically.
We selected Aurora Lighting after a detailed review and tender analysis of 3 lighting contractors to supply an end-to-end lighting solution for the main project here at Gibbs Dandy Luton. Aurora were mainly chosen based on the cost of the overall project, the return on investment and their full understanding of end-to-end project management.
We spent quite a bit of time with the departmental managers understanding their needs and their challenges with the existing lighting installation. So then we broke that down in trying to understand what they wanted to try and get from a good lighting installation.
The Gibbs Dandy estate has many different application areas, from showrooms to mills to warehousing through to trade counters. Aurora had a great product range to allow us to maximise these areas to their full potential.
What we found when we first looked at this installation is that the majority of the controls were in the form of the human hand, turn the lights on and off. So what we were able to do through our approved electrical contractors and the design team and the project management team of Aurora is that we're able to design our microwave sensors into each one of the luminaires, a bit like what we see here, okay, within this mezzanine floor, and all the racking is that each aisle now is controlled and only used as and when required.
Connecting the products was really easy, really simple, really fast, saved a lot of time and very well designed.
Lighting on the mezzanine floor, for example, I wasn't too au fait with like the timing where lights would be off and come on off. That would look daft, but in actual fact, when you look up there and you see how often those lights are off, we thought we was up there all the time. So that's going to be a great return on investment.
We were able to calculate the savings by first of all pre-metering the existing circuit. We then, after completion of the LED upgrade, we then did a post meter, enabling us to measure the true energy that has been used pre and post to be able to calculate the estimated savings that we'd originally predicted, which then equated to approximately a 38-month return on investment.
So the lighting project at Gibbs Dandy Luton in conjunction with Aurora has saved us 16,000 kilowatts per month, in which has brought us a cost saving of £1,600 a month. We've also managed to reduce the burn time or the operational time of some lights from 12 hours down to 5, while increasing lux levels throughout the building and mainly in the SEA to give a greater shopping experience.
It was very easy to work with the principal contractor, work with Aurora and all the guys there and the people on site, and I think the end result speaks for itself.
The overall look and feel of the site has been vastly improved from the lighting project, along with the numbers that we're saving through the energy, and the reduction in yearly or monthly energy bills has been a fantastic win.
Customers will come in now and they say, wow, what's gone on here? And it's not just the surroundings, it's the lighting that's really been a major impact on that, to be fair.
Aurora, value beyond illumination.